Chedededin! Opak, sino ka dyan? Hey guys, welcome to my mini vlog. So today is weekend and you know the drill, it's hair care day. Tara, ando ba ni na pod ko kay magpamper na pod ta. Maor gyud ni akong trabaho kada weekend guys no, kung dili mo laag or mo travel, magpamper gyud. Dili man ko dato guys, but gina-reward lang yun na ako akong self kay I work for it. So why not, diba? At the end of the day, magmahirap pud ka kay nga nawa ni mo gigasto imong kwarta. Charot! Pero of course, remember to save and invest para na-adjoy padulngan imong kwarta or imong gitrabahoan. Correct? Correct. And for me no, I know this is a bad mindset, but suliton yun na to samtang bata pa ta kay nagkatiguang biyata wa ta nagkabata. And mapuyo naman siguro ko if maminyo na ko, right? Char. Pohon, may lawas. Anyway, I'm done with my makeup, so let's go! Alright guys, I just got here and this is my outfit for today. By the way, I am currently here at Elishan Salon, Cebu. Located sila sa A Strip Building, Virama